Good morning students. How are you? I hope you are fine at home. I am Sangam in front of you. Students, today we are going to learn the story. What is the name of the story? The cat seller and the monkeys. Okay, so let's start with actions. Once there was a cat seller. He had many cats in his bag to sell. One day he was very tired. He lay down to sleep under a tree. While he slept, the monkeys on the tree took all his caps. When he woke up, the cat seller was shocked to see his caps missing. Then he had an idea. The cap seller threw his cap down. The monkeys threw their caps down too. The clever cap seller took all his caps and went away. Okay students, learn this rhyme. Thank you. Have a nice day.